How to add header background images in WordPress. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Complete Tutorials. In this video you will learn how to add header background images in WordPress. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Next click on Pages option in the left toolbar. Hover over the home page and click on Edit with Elementor. Once you are in Elementor, click on the gear icon in bottom left corner. In the page layout drop-down, select Elementor Full Width. Click on the Add Section button and choose a blank section. Now select the section. In the Basic section, choose the heading element and drag it into the blank section. Enter your text in the heading section and customize it to your requirements. If you want to add a subheading, select the text editor element and place it below your heading. Customize your heading. Let's insert the image now. Click on the 6-dot icon, go to the style and select background type to classic. Click on image and select your image from media library. Then click on insert media. That's it. If you want to center your picture, click on the position option and select center. That's all. Don't forget to give a thumb up, subscribe and click the notification bell. Your comments and input means a word for me, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts in comments below. I truly appreciate your engagement.